Well, we are back with another one. We're going to paint the calipers today. It's been a long time coming. I've been trying to do it every weekend, but just been busy. So, kicking off 2024 with new caliper paint. So, let's get it. Thanks, baby. Just got to stop and appreciate this candy apple metallic red from Harbor Freight. I saw the crazy colors on Instagram and I was like, yo, I gotta get one. I gotta get one for the house. I finally got places to store all this stuff. So we gotta rack up. This mug looks crazy. Honestly, the paint looks better than the it's kind of disgusting. Look at that. Jack stand worked. We're good. My daughter is going crazy back there, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the back first, and then we'll do the front. So I was gonna jack it all up at one time, but because of how high my jacks are, you see all that clearance there. I'm not risking it. I'm just not risking it up there. I heard some snap, crackle, and popping over here, so I really hope my side skirts are fine. But we're gonna push on, all right? We're gonna push on. What's the matter? You okay? What? What we're going to do is we're going to scuff this up. Get a semi-even base coat, so then when we spray, it doesn't still look all dusty like it currently does. Make sure you got on your safety glasses. I even got a mask on right now. I didn't go buy the fancy painter's one. But still got one nonetheless. So I'm gonna clean that up. Cool. Daughter left. So now it's just us cleaning this up, getting all the base clear off. The caliper bracket bolt back here is a 14. 2 14s there. I did not bring my regular 3/8 ratchet to do this. I brought my 1/2 inch because I remember the front being on there with the strength of heaven and earth. So I got to use my home ratchet. But I'm just going to pop this off. Clean this up. I'm about to spray it, take off the caliper, wrap this area up, and then get the spraying. Alright, so I'm finally masked off here. I don't know if you guys saw the struggle it was, because the plastic piece is just wanted to keep on falling. It's, you know, it's all dirty, dirt and grime underneath there. But here we go. Putting on the primer first. I already sprayed it and masked off what needs to be masked off. And here we if I could get this logo. This is crazy. You don't use too much on one. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to let this dry on this side, and then we're going to scuff up the other side, and then we'll go back over here once this is dry and then mess with this some more. So lay down the primer first and then come back with the actual color that we're going to put on it. No, I did not do all this work just for it just to be black again. I'm not keeping it black. But if you know me, you already know what color this is going to be. So on to the next side. This side didn't look as dusty as the other, but still, it's still just plain Jane black, which is on most F vehicles. Not as bad as my fronts, but I gotta scuff this up. So I was looking for a red, like a candy red, but also wanted gold flake, but I didn't want no mixer or anything like that. So I guess you know how you do your Google searches and stuff, and then now because you accepted all the cookies of all these other websites and stuff, now like your algorithm is just like sending you paint stuff. So on Instagram I found Tropical Glitz using their Cosmic Red line. It's also in a spray can as well, but they also have like they'll pre-mix it for you and everything, so you can use like a spray gun and stuff. And I mean, it's something I'm interested in doing later on, maybe for the whole car. It won't be Cosmic Red. Still debating on what color it is. It's most likely going to be Cosmic Black or Candy Black, like the Nebula Gray color. Or my son said Austin Yellow, but I don't think I'm going to end up doing yellow. Not for this car at least. But we're going to go Cosmic Red on the calipers. Whoa! That jump looks crazy. Okay, I gotta get my I gotta set it up so you guys can see. I don't even know. I don't even know if you could. Oh no! I got some on my hand. God damn it. Sheesh! Alright. I'm really trying for this plastic not to get up all up on it, but let's just coat one fairly even all the way across there, and we just gotta let it dry. Might get a heat gun, put it on here. I don't know, see if I'm feeling froggy, try it out. Plastic really got a mind of its own, but here we are. The other, oh, snapped my fingers in the way. My bad, y'all. So it's been raining all day, and temperature just dropped. We're gonna be on the second coat now. Yes, sirski. Yes, sirski. Yes, sirski. Yeah, so just letting it dry. I've probably got some unwanted runs. Hindsight, I probably should have took out the calipers, but I didn't want to do all that. I mean, not take out the calipers, take out the brake pads, but it's fine. I taped over here, but I probably still got some paint inside there. I did not cover the brake hose like I did on the other side, but all is well. That kind of bothers me. I don't know why exactly that happened. All my painters in the comments, please let me know. Yeah, like this weird texture that's on it. I don't know, but there we go. Alright, so what we got here is a grilling break. Game plan today was to grill and then paint my calipers, but didn't get time to do that, and I'm missing one more thing to do. But anyway, we're gonna get here. Brisket, using my brother-in-law's seasoning. Main seasoning, Worcestershire sauce, lime juice, paprika, chipotle, short cracked pepper. We're just gonna throw that on the grill. We also have some jalapeno, garlic, cilantro, wings. Just a little bit. Close this up and we'll get back to it. Alright, almost done. Wings are done, about to take those off. Add a little garnish to it. Wrap that up. Come back out and check on the brisket a little bit later. The wings are inside. Actually, I'm gonna put them.
Small room. But on the next door, copper star. Why are you spray painting the cardboard? Can I paint the cardboard?
Pretty sure. Yeah.
Can I use this on it?
Mm-hmm.
The black.
Primer?
Mm-hmm. Can I use it on there? Please? Pretty please?
Sure, Caleb.
Yeah. Oh, your phone's right there. Okay. Are they is it sending the pic? Is it sending the videos?
Send it, yeah.
13 minutes.
You hear this?
What? That's how long we've been filming. 13 minutes. I mean, it probably would hit 20 if I didn't go grab this. And get my mask. And can I paint this again? Can I paint this again?
No.
Can I paint it with the red?
No.
A little bit?
No.
Right there?
No.
Please?
No.
Artwork.
No. No, no, no.
Oh, it kind of looks like a cockroach. Does it? Can I stop filming?
Huh?
Can I stop filming?
Yeah, you don't have
I just wanna.
All we're doing is watching paint dry. But don't you just hate when this happens? Just trying to, clean up the last caliper, and then got too overzealous, touched the plastic, and it just ripped and ripped, and ripped and ripped. I'm like, how do I get this mug out of here? What do I do? What do I do? Always forget to do an outro. Well, there it is, folks. Red calipers, cosmic red calipers at that. Shout out to Tropical Glitz again. They usually have a lot of discount codes going on all at the same time. I'm not a big fancy YouTuber. I don't have no discount codes for you, but they usually have 20-30% off going all the time. I put down a link in the description below if you want to check out their colors. They have many like this in spray cans. Or if you are a professional painter, they have it into the quartz as well, that you can pre-mix it and make it yourself. But that's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.